Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are baking party cupcakes today. They are so delicious and easy to bake. So what we need to bake these yummy beauties: large egg 6, baking powder 2 teaspoon, vanilla essence 2 teaspoon, milk half cup, oil 1.5 cup. I am using corn oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil. Sugar 1.5 cup, unbleached all-purpose flour 3 cups. Preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we will start making cupcake batter with Bismillah. It is raining in New York right now. I will show you a glimpse and continue my baking, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a mixing bowl, add eggs one by one and beat them with whisk attachment. Keep the speed high and beat them for 30 seconds. Then add oil. And mix them for 20 seconds. Now add sugar. And mix them for more 15 seconds on high speed. Now add milk. And mix it for 15 seconds too. After 15 seconds, keep the speed slow and add baking powder and vanilla essence. Mix them for 30 seconds. Then add flour in it gradually. When batter is formed, beat it for 1 minute on high speed to get a smooth texture. It is ready, alhamdulillah. Let's fill our cupcakes with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. These are mini silver balls to decorate cupcakes. We are making these cupcakes for party, so they should look pretty. Am I right? Look how beautiful they are. Mashallah. Let's decorate our cupcakes. Then bake them for 30 minutes in preheat oven. Inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. We bake 16 cupcakes and they are baked beautifully, mashallah. So let's enjoy them together with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. So yummy and easy to bake party cupcakes already. Bake them with your kids and enjoy them together with love and care. Also share recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.